Is this our fate? See, we bought this earth like some milk, but we didn't put that milk in the fridge, and we sped up its expiry date. And first, let me get this straight. There is no debate that climate change is real, that the ice in Antarctica is melting and it's killing the seals. Don't believe me? Well, then ask the 97% of scientists who would agree. We emit billions of tons of greenhouse gases. We kill bees for fun. We kill trees by the masses, the original owners of what we now call Earth. Large corporations poison the water in our nations, and now mercury is in our fish, causing birth defects when Inuit children eat their traditional dish. The government deflects any questions asked about what their plans are to stop global warming. The sea levels are rising. Now we can't even see the stars in our horizon. We used to wake up in the morning and smell fresh air. Now that's considered a commodity and it's scarce. Now we wake up to the smell of fossil fuels that are fueling the destruction of our ozone, or should I say, the no zone. Because it doesn't matter if you have the newest phone or the nicest home, the human race won't survive down this path. I did the math. Human plus planet equals trash. Our environment is going to crap, and there will be no plumber to save us. But it's a bummer that we don't appreciate the world the universe gave us. We did not get a receipt with this world. There is no returning this purchase. But future generations should not have to suffer because of government's environmental alliteration. No, they don't deserve this. The Paris Agreements are considered loose guidelines. Countries sit on the sidelines in this game called environmental destruction. And we don't have much time left on the shot clock. We will need to share the rock to make this irresponsible, ecological attempted murder possible to stop. Wildlife is a useless word now. Animals are not wild. We trap them, sell them, so families can laugh at them with their child. We kill them for following their instincts. We domesticate them for our pleasure. We put them through so much strife. And wildlife are rapidly losing life. We kill them relentlessly, eat them expensively. In the same time it takes you to watch a nature documentary, 3 species become extinct. Soon enough, people won't be riding through the Venice canals in a boat. No, because studies show in 80 years, Venice will sink. In that same amount of time, tigers will be gone. Kids will read about them in books, like the Tyrannosaurus. In the future, rainforests will be dry deserts, deserted of any vibrancy. The human race, we just keep on supersizing, see. Bigger factories, bigger industries, bigger minds. We ignore the messages that are being sent. Tell me, when you have a stomachache, do you get some Coke and open a bag of Cheetos? I didn't think so. Well, this planet that we call ours has had symptoms of stomach pain and nausea for over 100 years. It cries out in tears, but we just keep on shoving more and more food down its esophagus. People, open your ears. Our planet is trying to tell us something with all this environmental decline. But our world is like a mime, and we must interpret its signs because it can't hold humanity's problems for much longer. Soon enough it'll be too much and it'll be too late. But we have a date with destiny. We can let it be a disaster, or we can once again make this world heavenly. But the answer to our problems are not in space. Don't listen to what you're hearing, because the Mars One mission is bankrupt. There is no escape from what we have created. But even with all this light pollution, we can still see glimmers of hope. Now, because of COVID-19, we are moving into a time that will be defining for nature. because now we are the ones in the zoo, and the effects are unbelievable. The air in China is finally becoming breathable. Pumas roam Chile. Fish enjoy clean water once again in Italy. Less greenhouse gases are being emitted. People, it's time to take global warming to court, and this time it will not be acquitted. See, we must be both our own enemy and savior. We must save ourselves from ourselves. We must put environmental health ahead of economic wealth, because what good is it if the stocks are rising only to have our ecosystems declining? But we must hang on to hope. We must, before the change becomes irreversible, because this is not our fate, but this is our earth. Earth meaning soil. This is our soil. We will not let our earth boil. We will not pollute our oceans with oil. Our earth is royalty. We must show it loyalty, because even though we have divided ourselves into 196 pieces of land, we are still one soil. And to truly make a change, we must all band together and lend a hand. See, we were not fated for this, but we were given one shot on this planet, so it's time to stop wasting it. Hi everybody, thanks for watching my video, and I hope it inspired you. Let me finish by saying that we all have a part to play in helping our environment. And as Jane Goodall said, you cannot go through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Peace.